So, this is all I need for my hydraulic setup. For my remotes, go in there, and then you pull that, that runs it. Very simple. Way overthought when I done this, but anyway, still don't know if it's going to push through that quick coupler, so probably just going to have to go get a longer hose and have it so I can connect it together old school wise, like I don't know. But anyway, I'm this far here. Get the battery charging for the tractor, and well, I got a few minutes. I'm going to take it this PTO shaft. Now that I'm looking at this, I may not have to shorten it. Oh wait, yeah, I probably will. I don't know. We'll see what happens here. See, that adapter just fucks everything up for PTO shafts. So anyway, I may or may not have to shorten that. I don't know. I'll find out soon enough. So I need to take about 3 inches out of that. Here, sorta, weld that together. Took about 4 inches off this piece. So, anyway, hope this works. So instead of cutting and welding back here, had lots of bite right here at the end of that shaft to hold that rectangle. I don't know what the fuck you call it, but anyways, I just shortened that up, gave me just enough room to get her on. So anyway, let's get the tractor running here and see how things go. Great, my hydraulics work. Step in the right fucking direction. Now, let's hit that PTO. See how well that goes. Just gonna roll over, yeah. Fuck yeah. I'm really excited about this.